The episode picks up with Darim confessing her undying love for Ji-hyuk after saving him from the fire ordeal. They are about to passionately kiss again when Jaeyoung-min and the paramedics arrive. Jaeyoung-min makes a big deal out of checking on Ji-hyuk. Thankfully, our whipped man is fine, especially after that love confession. Meanwhile, Taeyang and Jihae meet for drinks to celebrate their success. Taeyang seems to be envious of Ji-hyuk for succeeding without his father's assistance. Jihae agrees to team up to get rid of Ji-hyuk from the company altogether. At Ji-hyuk's house, Jaeyoung-min, still clueless, begs Ji-hyuk to be kinder to Darim. As expected, Ji-hyuk is in an emotional high and can't stop thinking about his first encounter with Darim and how things have developed between them. The same goes for Darim, who can't sleep thinking about her heart-fluttering moments with Ji-hyuk. The next morning, Ji-hyuk wakes up in a great mood, dancing as he gets ready for work. Darim also puts special effort into dressing up for the day with Inai's help. At the office, the two get some stolen moments in the elevator. During the day, Ji-hyuk sends Darim a bouquet, promising to only make her happy. Her colleagues gush about Seonyu being a sweet husband. Ji-hyuk gets jealous and orders them back to work. Later, he tells Darim that the flowers mark their first day of dating. To hide their relationship, Ji-hyuk acts like he is scolding Darim, but in reality he asks her on a date. Their colleagues misunderstand and feel sorry for Darim. On the work front, Ji-hyuk attends a meeting, and Jihae blames the fire incident on a different company dealing with labor management issues. However, Ji-hyuk asks for a more detailed investigation into the culprit. Later, he visits Haiyang and obtains the CCTV footage of the incident. Elsewhere, Seonyu has a few drinks with Darim. However, when he senses she is about to turn him down, he cuts their meeting short. The following day, Ji-hyuk and Darim enjoy a lunch date away from the office. Unfortunately, their date is cut short when they spot their work colleagues. Ji-hyuk is forced to hide while Darim joins the rest. At the end of the day, Darim offers to hang back and help Ji-hyuk go through old company files. Ji-hyuk is helping his mom by collecting the necessary documents she needs ahead of her divorce. As they go through the documents, they realize that Inai is a strong woman. Darim also takes this chance to comfort Ji-hyuk and remind him that he is no longer alone. Her sentiments deeply touch him. After getting home, Darim gets ready to break Seonyu's heart. However, he suddenly claims that he was only pranking her. Darim is shocked but accepts it. At Haiyang's house, her mom sets about preparing her for the wedding. Taeyang shows up and acts like he has no idea who is behind the fire. He insists that Haiyang drop the issue, but she explains that Ji-hyuk is looking into it. Later, she drops by Seonyu's place to tell him about the success of the exhibition, even though the fire ruined it. She comforts him after seeing that he is sad about Darim's rejection. She promises to wait for him as he figures out his emotions. At Natural Beb, Jihae convinces Changho to allow the Mother TF team to support the CS team. This is all part of her plan to overwhelm the team and get rid of them. She and Chonggo intentionally set up the team to take the most difficult and trying calls from customers. The transition proves challenging for the team, but they refuse to give up. Goyun vents to Jaeyoung-min, while Jinhee turns to retail therapy to get her through the day. Later, Haiyang drops by to play the dutiful fiancé of Ji-hyuk in front of Changho. Darim gets jealous, and Haiyang invites her for some drinks. The two talk about Seonyu, and Haiyang shares her determination to win him over. Her warm sentiments melt Darim's heart, and they end up getting drunk and calling Seonyu and Ji-hyuk to pick them up. It is a hilarious sight as the two men struggle to get their girls home. Still, Ji-hyuk is proud to be the man Darim calls when she gets drunk. They take the two drunk women to Darim's place. Later, Seonyu and Jihyok have an honest conversation. Jihyok promises to take care of Darim and love her right. In the morning, Hyang volunteers to help Seonyu take care of June. The little boy excitedly agrees to be her best friend and shares his pain of not having a mom. June has an upcoming school event, and Hyang asks him more about it. At the office, the Mother TF team gets ready for another difficult day. Unfortunately, Darim becomes embroiled in a scandal when an overwhelmed mom calls to complain about finding a chicken bone in a diaper. Darim tries to calm her down, but the woman lashes out and posts the scathing post online with a fake voice recording. Chongu and Jihae decide to use this opportunity to get rid of him. Jihae ups the stakes by involving her media contacts. A group of angry mums and reporters show up at the company to protest. Darim tries to explain her side of the story, but they attack her, throwing flour-powdered diapers at her. Luckily, her team arrives to protect her. Jihae and Taeyang watch the show from afar and plot their next move to expose Jihyok's affair with Darim. After learning what happened, Jihyok quickly returns to the office to take care of Darim. As soon as they get alone, he embraces her in a hug. Darim opts to talk to the woman behind the scathing post. Jihyok insists on going with her. Initially, the woman, Soyoung, refuses to talk to them. However, she changes her mind when Darim sacrifices herself to save Soyoung's baby as her stroller accidentally rolls downhill. Thankfully, the baby is not hurt, and Darim sustains only minor scratches. Later, the woman takes down the scathing post and reveals the truth about the incident. The Mother TF team also works on getting rid of other disparaging articles online.